Welcome to Valkyrie Simple Finance. Understanding before investing. Professional options traders do not think like beginners, and that difference matters. So far, we have covered what options are, how they are priced, the risks involved, basic strategies, what goes wrong, and how to use options responsibly. In this episode, we look at how professionals actually think about stock options. Professionals focus on process, not prediction. Professionals do not try to be right every time. They accept uncertainty as normal. The first priority for professionals is risk control. Before entering a trade, they know exactly how much they can lose. Professionals accept small losses quickly. They do not fight the market. Professionals think in probabilities, not guarantees. One trade does not matter much. What matters is performance over many trades. Professional trading is often boring. Consistency beats excitement. Professionals control position size carefully. No single trade is allowed to cause major damage. They do not chase losses, and they do not trade emotionally. Professional traders follow rules, even when emotions say otherwise. They constantly review results, and they keep learning. Professionals set realistic goals. They avoid chasing unrealistic returns. Options are only one part of a broader portfolio. They are not the entire plan. Professionals focus on risk control, probability, discipline, and long-term consistency. Thinking like a professional means thinking long-term. In the next episode, we will explain in the money, at the money, and out of the money options.